getting windy. Mom?
Yeah?
You're not that in the picture.
It's okay. The doggy can be in the picture.
Hi, Yuna. Mom, I'm actually doing pretty good.
Are you?
Yeah.
That's good. You're keeping it steady?
I'm trying to.
Alright.
Mom,
Yeah?
now I can actually see like part of the roof.
Oh, okay.
And the bottom.
Very good. Okay, where'd you go, Macy?
In here.
Okay, here. This goes underneath the sink,
Okay, 1 second.
and then I'll put Coda's.
So where does the little bucket go?
Hold on. I'll hold.
From one and over.
Okay, here. Watch out. Okay, go in. You got it on? Here, just set it over. Here, I'll set it over here for now. Okay. Towels.
Yeah, I'll only set them down.
Yeah.
I'll just come back.
I don't know these coming back with much, so let's go inside. Let's put some more. I'll put some more stuff on the counter for you guys, and you guys can bring it out.
Okay.
Okay. We'll go inside and we'll get some more stuff.
Okay.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So we are getting ready for another adventure here in Alaska where we live. So this week my husband went on to look, and there is a phrase that everybody in Alaska knows, and it is called when the numbers start hitting. And essentially what that means is it means the salmon run has started. It means the fish are coming in and the numbers are going up, and once the numbers really start hitting those 30,000, 50,000 mark of what they estimate coming in, that's when the fish are hitting, and that is when it is time to go down and go fishing. Now, in Alaska, we have what's called dip netting. It's essentially a giant net that you take out to the edge of the ocean on the beach, and you stick it in, and the fish swim in, and you pull them in. Now, this kind of fishing is only available to Alaska residents, and residency is defined by living in the state permanently with the intention to stay for at least a year. So obviously we have been here for quite a while and we are residents. So we are going to go down and see if we can get enough fish to last us the entire year. We did this last year. It was absolutely awesome. It was a great experience for all of us. The family really enjoyed it, and we did max out last year at 75 salmon. So that was absolutely awesome. It's definitely a lot of work, but it's well worth it, and the fish is absolutely amazing to eat. Super nutritious, wild caught. You can imagine how much that would cost in the store at this point. So I am heading to the post office because my husband lost the soles to his wader boots. So we ordered some new ones. So I'm going to pick those up, got to get some fuel in the truck, and we are packing up the trailer to head out. My husband actually has to work tonight. So we are taking the trailer and we are going to be spending the night at the airport where he works. And then we'll be heading down to Kenai, the Kenai Peninsula tomorrow. So if you are an Alaskan resident, really the only thing you need to go dip netting, other than obviously having a dip net, is you do have to have a fishing license. So you do have to pay for that. The fishing license here are fairly inexpensive considering other places we've lived, like California or Nevada, where they're absolutely astronomical. And then we went online, and you can go and you can, it's free, but you have to go through like a checkout process in order to get the dip net permit. And we print it out, and it has a form saying how many people are in our household, how many fish we are allowed to catch and keep. All the regulations are printed out on it. And then as you bring in fish, you are required to document it on this sheet. If fishing game, comes up and asks for your paperwork, you better have it on hand, and it better be accurate. Else they'll take all your fish, they'll take your fishing license, and they can also suspend you from dip netting for, I think it's like 1 to 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. I could be mistaken. But yes, so they are very strict. Alaska takes care of their wildlife here because they want to ensure that it's here for many generations to come, which is great. So we want to make sure that we follow all the rules and regulations. All right, time to head home and finish packing. We did a lot yesterday between kids' activities. We ended up having to get an oil change done on the truck, and I wanted to get it done before we headed down to Kenai since it's quite a bit of a drive. And my husband drove the truck the other day in front of a dump truck and got this huge divot in the windshield. So I had to go get that filled because we don't want the windshield to be cracking as everything heats and cools. So went to go get that filled, went to run some more errands. Couldn't find our fillet knife, so I had to go buy another one. So I'm hoping we have everything now and we'll get loaded up and get out of here. Got it? Here, I'll push it, you do it. Alright, there you go. Where's the lock? Oh, here, put it on the edge. Like here. There you go. Okay, ready? Yank at the same time. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And the wood's still on there. Sweet. Alright. Are you grabbing from? Okay, go. It's all right, just get it on the tailgate and then we'll get the mat. You guys got it? You need help? You got it? Okay. No, because when Daddy gets up, he'll torque it down and everything. Okay, thank you.
And my mom's gonna back the truck up because we are going camping today, and we are going to my dad's work today, and we're gonna stay in our trailer all day and might go see airplanes and stand back up the truck. So hope it don't get run over. Here she does. And there she is. Backing up. That might have been the bee. But
Not gonna hit anything, am I? Watching for me?
Yeah, on the phone.
I'm just gonna back up a little bit further.
Bye-bye.
All right, well, we had another jack malfunction. It looks like something snapped and broke, but we finally got it up, and I think we're finally out of here. Okay, so we finally made it to my husband's work down at the airport. Check out this view. And we're at the airport. Look at, there's UPS. And Atlas getting ready to taxi out. So everybody is now having some lunch. And we got to clean up this whole disaster and make beds because we didn't have time.
Hi.
Hi, my film and narrator, an unhappy puppy who needs a walk. So we got to get our mess cleaned up. See, Daddy came for lunch. Look at that hat. It's so cute. Bye, Daddy.
I have an Atlas one too. Don't put your fingers right there, baby.
Yeah, be careful your fingers will get stuck.
Never.
Bye, your dad.
I don't like the Atlas ones. They're smaller and they're funny. They're not my thing.
All right.
All right.
Love you. All right, I got sheets now.
Oh, peekaboo.
We had to completely rearrange the back here because the dogs are a little too high, but the kids want to sleep back here instead of their normal up there and the table, which is covered in stuff until we get the bed done. So we are rearranging the trailer.
I know how cold Kenai is going to be, so I brought this.
Okay.
Yeah? My side is that side, your side is this side. And you do not pass your side, okay? I want it.
Where did I put it? Oh, there it is.
I need you to tighten my pants.
Okay.
Mommy thinks it's a stomach problem. Why did you think that? On the sidewalk.
I don't know if there's people over there, so we're going to keep the dogs out here.
A video?
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah. Yes, tuck that squirrel.
Say round 2 doggies. Let's go look at airplanes.
Wait,
Go, it's called Squish In, so you can go see airplanes.
wait, can I sit in the front seat?
No.
Wait, on the top.
Yeah, sit up there. Yes.
Am I getting in the front seat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's roll.
That's mine. That's my parting gift. I get free stuff. How's work, Daddy?
Busy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Is that the DI?
And then Mommy said we're going to see airplanes.
I know, you guys were just about to get all your pajamas on, and we're a mess,
did.
and
We
we're
did.
tired, but we're going to see airplanes.
We did the old pajamas on.
Yep.
I hired the new. We're in that truck.
That's the old place that I like.
That's your friend I like.
Daddy,
The broken one.
is this one the broken one?
Yeah, this is the one I had to go get off the runway.
Yeah.
You got the wheel.
Oh,
You know, it looks
Yes.
way bigger in person than it does in the video.
this
You guys
is.
want to go see all the broken stuff?
Yeah. I want the
That's a brake?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Look how big. Here, go stand next to the tire. Let's see how big the tire is, Lovey. Don't touch it. It's yucky. Lovey, it's bigger than you are. Really? Holy cow.
777 8 years bigger and the dash 8 is bigger.
Why does that thing have any wheels?
Because they took them off.
That one.
That's the one to where when they landed, when they took off, they blew 2 tires. One for sure, probably.
All the way up.
I always want to get outside one.
Yeah?
Always. We're quite high.
Yep, and it's a bit windy.
Oh. This is the cargo one?
Yeah, there is.
Wow.
See? Oh, Daddy just charged light.
Be careful, don't trip on here.
Whoa, then it goes down right there. Daddy can't fit through that hole.
You get stuck?
Daddy has to come up through the bottom.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, because look, when you open this,
Uh-huh.
see that?
Oh. Holy cow.
I mean, I could probably force myself through there, but
Yeah.
everything gets caught.
Oh, okay.
Whoa. The teepees work.
Not right now, there ain't no power. You get on your bicycle and pedal it, start making power.
What's there?
Where there's
Right back
beds.
there where those last seats are,
There's beds
there's
in there.
a wall, and there's 2 beds back there.
Here, should I get in there?
But
Sweet.
on the
I like the seatbelts so they don't fall off the bed.
yeah, you're required to wear that.
Yeah.
The same with when you're trucking. If you're in the back, you have
Oh, you have to wear a seatbelt of some kind.
or a net, or you have to be covered with a net.
Oh, okay. What is that, toilet?
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh.
At least it smells nice.
I would not be.
Oh yeah, they serviced it.
Don't touch those. Do this.
The people that do this make it seem really, really difficult.
Daddy, there's butts.
The sightseeing tour is over.
Okay.
Time to go downstairs.
Hello.
Am I gonna go down now?
Yep. Come on.
Slowly.
There you go.
He's got this.
Go, Kevin.
Go down backwards.
What is all the stuff on the floor?
Go ahead, don't kick your brother in the head.
When they load stuff.
It's a house. Oh my god.
All right, come on, Mama, you're on your own.
Oh, that's cool.
A 17 flew in right before. Look, there it goes. Over the building.
Oh, yeah?
That 17 flew in right before I came here.
Wow. Hey, Daddy's sticking us in the motor.
Oh.
One more time, go.
All right, it's the morning after. Nobody got a really good night's sleep because obviously we're right next to the airport where they're landing and it's very loud, like right now. So we are packing up and we are getting ready to take the last trek down to Kenai, and everybody is super excited, super tired, but we're ready. We're ready to go fishing. All right. our home away from home for the next couple days. Walmart.
Two left forward bit.
This is what happened. This bar that's coming back and gonna hit me.
Can you hold that?
Yeah, I got that. The bolt in there decided to just shear off. We have to unhook the truck.
Prove it.
Prove it. But yeah, so we're using a drill and making do until hopefully we can try to jimmy rig it and fix it here in the next day or so. Until then, jack and drill working just fine.
Well, we're still using the jack until we can figure out why it's overloading the motor.
Yep.
Lift that off even higher. Just really like flat against the back. Congratulations.
Yeah, he did chair to pit it. And now it's turned it. Got the. My mom's yachting a toy up. Whoa. Mom, am I allowed to play my knife, my wood knife?
No, leave that here.
All right.
Yeah, you're gonna be playing in the same. Okay, where's the next chair?
Chair. This one can go right here.
Yep, right where I was standing.
Wait. All right, so we are all still exhausted and we're packed up and we are ready to go hit the beach. Let's see how this goes.
You just in backyard.
Yep, we got our pass and now they're gonna let us onto the beach and now we get to go fish.
Yes. And our job is not to get stuck on the beach.
Yep. Are you gonna pull around the corner and then we'll air down?
No, we'll do it right here.
Okay.
$39, $38, $37, $6.
All right, we're all air down. Now we can hit the beach.
Or it makes both tires spin, whether it's in the front or the back.
And that is why we aired down, because it is a sandy beach and people get stuck a lot. Trying to hold the camera steady while you're bouncing all over the place. It gets kind of tricky.
Yeah, we're not bouncing that much because we got less bounce in the tires, more pushy cush.
Can't blame Daddy, blame the road.
Unless you want to get out and dig and push, I suggest you let me do what I want to do.
No, I don't blame you, Daddy. I blame the sand.
Sand is really deep.
It's weird.
What's weird, Daddy? That you don't have to work?
No, it's my day off, so that means it's going to be more work than going to work.
Probably. All right, go help Daddy get stuff out.
Yeah, for the people who have never dip netted, this This is some workout.
It is a workout.
This ain't regular fishing.
Nope. Trying to run out of the water.
Especially if you have multiple fish.
Oh, yeah.
Dragging all those fish, trying to swim back into the water.
Into the water with the drag of the water and the current.
Huge net, dragging in the water, dragging the fish, trying to get away. Yeah, it's, hey, sea lion.
Oh, is there one out there?
Yep. Oh, great. He's out in the middle.
Is he? He's catching all the fish out there. It's off. Got it, Lovey?
Yeah.
Need help? You getting busy, Lovey?
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy, I built a hole.
Did you have to take it all the way out again?
Yep.
Why?
Because I didn't like where it was. And you can't scoot it because it's grabbing it up.
Can you help me? Thank you.
Put it by your ear while you do it. There, Parker, hold this.
Okay. Cool beans. All right, so we ended up going the other day to this guy's house in Chuyak to get these custom made dip nets. This guy welds all these in his shop and buys these Japanese, what are they, Japanese gill nets, you said? So yeah, shout out to this guy. Super cool guy, was giving me tips on where to go fish, how to fish, hunting, all kinds of stuff. So super cool dude. If you're an Alaskan resident and looking at dip knitting, these are definitely the way to go.
Yeah, gotta be a resident.
Got the first bolt in. It's one way to get it there.
It's the only tool I got. It's called a multi-tool. Hammer's one of them.
I don't think that's what you meant by that.
Yeah, you keep thinking inside the box. See how well that works out for you. Daddy'll be over here living life, having fun.
Anyways. He's got it covered. Say first fish of the evening. It's always Daddy. Daddy always catches first fish. Oh no, I take that back. I caught the first fish in Seward, huh?
What?
I said you always catch the first fish, and I said I take that back. I caught the first fish in Seward. Who did? Oh, you did? Oh man, I thought I did. Okay, Parker did. Holy cow.
Salmon.
That's a good sized one.
Hey, bring the... Oh, nice fish right there.
Yeah, the ice chest is up there. Well, Daddy did its gills, so.
Right there, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a good one. All right, so day one, we got one fish. So I think tomorrow we might try somewhere else. We're still debating. So Daddy's gonna fillet this up and then it's time for bed because it's getting kind of late. We didn't see very many people catch fish on the beach today, so we're hoping to have better luck tomorrow. Daddy's getting prepped for the one epic fish.
that he only caught.
Dun, dun, dun.
Don't worry, you're not the only jealous one.
Anyway. Are you going to grab it, Lovey?
Nope.
Why not?
I opened it.
You just opened it. What was that?
Whatever, Mr. Matter of Fact.
I know, I just opened it.
I opened it.
Freaking 110% goober.
Dun, dun. It's in there somewhere.
It's Ewie.
Serious? You seriously just did that?
Peekaboo.
Oh, a good sized fish.
Yeah, and we only caught one. We already have a bunch. I checked full. They do.
Oh, am I filleting this one?
That's up to you. We can fillet it and cut it into chunks and still freeze it in the RV freezer. So yes, you can fillet it if you want to. Are you doing it that way or cutting the belly off?
Yeah, look at all that.
Well, see if you can get the extra pieces off since that one didn't come off very well. We can throw the separate pieces in another bag for the lizards.
Hey.
That was,
oh, I did.
you
Kinda
did
go up
miss,
right there.
yeah. Well, you can kind of trim that off after you get the fillet done.
So what do we do with that? Just grab and throw it in the ocean?
Yeah, we'll take what we can off of it and then, yeah, throw it to the seagulls.
And seals.
Yep.
And crabs.
That's close enough to see it.
Those some big old teeth.
They're big, all right.
No, we do not. Yes, we do.
And back to the sea it goes.
All right, get the bunker. Okay, go get it.
No, that's fine, that's fine.
We all got to have a job. Macy, go ahead and get the scissors out of the bucket.
Turn the net over.
All right. Okay, you can do next one.
Get the net back in.
All right, get its gills. We have scissors right there. Your sister's got them.
Where's you, Macy?
He wants to use those, Macy, to cut the gills, honey. Okay, hurry up. Get it washed off and get it in the bucket. All right, that should be good, Parker. Now let's get its fins cut. Macy can cut its fins. No, come here. You got to cut its fins before. You got it? Okay, cut the other one. There you go. Okay, wash it off. We'll get it in the cooler. I know. Put it in there. Hurry up.
Wait, throw it up.
Yeah? Okay, put it.
There's stuff in here.
Just put it in there. Let's go. Put it in there. Hurry up. Your brother's got one. We'll get it. Good job, guys. Pull it up this way. Up this way. There you go. Lovey, let's get the bunker.
No. I can be going.
All the way up. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, there we go. Okay. Look.
I'm Tony.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah. We got 2 fish already.
Yep.
Wait.
You got it? Or you need help?
Okay, flip.
getting it? Why don't you guys bonk it so it'll quit? Oh, and bonk it.
Watch my fingers.
Go. One more time. All right, that should be good.
Yeah, it's on his list.
I got the scissors!
All right, just reach your fins in there and pull its gills.
Wait, where's the sand?
All right, here, Owen, come put this back in the water. Put the bunker down. Scoot over a little bit, Owen. Let's scoot it over. Come on, there you go. There you go. How was that for you, Owen? Pretty exciting. Yep. Straight out ahead over here. Its head's bobbing over here. See it straight out, Lovey? Look at the black bobbin head out there. I'm not sure. We'd have to look it up. Get the stuff. Ew. That's lovely. You're collecting fish heads. All right, Daddy's got a fish. Oh, I was like, where is it? Is it still in there?
Daddy, I got fish too!
You want me to hold it or you got it?
Yeah, please.
Hold on. Good job.
Why don't you go put the net in?
All right. Y'all having fun so far? About you, Parker? Oh, whatever. You caught a fish.
I caught fish.
Say, look, Lovey's in the water with Daddy this year. Hi, Lovey. Standing in the water, waiting for the fish to come into the net. Parker's got fish number 10. You got it, Lovey? All right, thank you. Here, Macy, hold those for your brother. Thank you. Go, help. Come on, you can do it.
I get to touch the gills. Okay.
bellies connected, or are you cutting bellies?
Huh?
The bellies are connected at the bottom? Okay. Watch out, guys. Yeah? Burger bus. You know? Getting all wet.